How to log in or sign in to Adventures Escape Mysteries game. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're new to Adventure Escape Mysteries and you want to sign in and save your progress in the game, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the game on your device, and once you're inside this page, click on the sign in button at the top left. Now you'll be asked to sign in with email. Just tap on it, and if you don't have an account yet, then you can go to the register tab, enter an email address and create a password. If you already have an account, then go to the sign in option and enter your email address and the password associated with your account. Finally, click on the sign in button once you are done and you'll be able to log in. So right after you do that, you'll be able to sign into Adventure Escape Mysteries. Now you can enjoy solving puzzles, uncovering mysteries, and keeping your progress backed up. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.